Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing a makeup look, and it's gonna be towards a photo shoot today that I'm gonna be taking with my cousins, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. But I don't really know what I'm trying to aim for as a look, and so I'm just gonna do whatever goes. Okay. So first, I'm using this Wet n Wild matte face primer. Next, I'm going to be using this eyebrow pencil. It's from Rimmel London, and I'm using the color Hazel. Okay, I'm just going to shade a little bit into it. Now I will be using the Maybelline New York Fit Me in the shade 20, or it's called Sand Sable. I'm gonna be using that with this brush. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation in the color 30CG. And I'm going to be mixing it with my Infallible Pro Matte, okay? This color is a little lighter on my face, so that's why I mixed it with like the darker Infallible color. the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. This is in the shade 20WY, and then I'm gonna also mix it with the Maybelline New York Fit Me from the shade 20 Sand Sable. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. palette. This is just like a concealer palette, but I'm gonna be using this color. And I'm just using this to contour my nose. Don't put so much color onto it because it's a dark color, and you don't want your nose to look like you got punched in your nose. So just use a little bit. Come to the front, blend it out. A little bit of the lighter shade and then dab it on the lighter area. Now we're gonna do the powder, okay? This is in the shade Naturally Neutral. Put it on to my cheeks. Okay, moving on, we're going to be using this Revolution eyeshadow palette, okay? This color, Charisma, as our base. Okay. Just go with this color next door, okay, which is called Infatuation. And we're just gonna put this on the inner, not the inner, the outer corner of your eye. now we're gonna use this Naked Concealer again, okay? And then we're just gonna do a little cut crease. We're gonna go with the a light shade, okay? This color, I'm just gonna go with this light shade. This is called this shade is called the Hendo Music. And just on the area that I made a cut through. The old color, this color, the Infatuation, and we're just gonna blend it. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's not. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing our eyelashes. Okay, this is what I'm gonna be wearing, and I will be using Miss Yasmin's liquid eyeliner slash glue.
Of my eyelashes, I put it upward a little bit, so that it gives me a more volumized end, and more like a cat eye look. I'm going to be using
the Voluminous Lash Paradise to put on my bottom lashes. Mascara lashes. Okay, so now we will be taking this white glittery shade. I usually, if you guys know me, I like putting a shimmery color on the corner, in the corner of my eyes, to make my eyes pop out. Removing our face powder. Setting powder. As always, we're going to be using L'Oreal Palette's True Match in the color C7. Like right now? Huh? Now we're gonna be using is the 10 color palette, okay? This color right here. Now for highlighter, I'm just gonna use this Sweetheart in the shade of number 3, and I just go around, like I just do that. then lastly, we're gonna be using a red lipstick with a darker lipstick. Okay. These are the Huda Beauty. This one is from, no, the shade is Vixen. And then this shade is Pop Feel. But I'm gonna put on the red first, and then I will put on the darker color. It's like a bright red, which I don't really like. I usually like to go over it with some chapstick. So this is the look. Okay, and then what I usually like to do, it's only if I remember sometimes, I like to add a little beauty mark. And so I'm gonna add this beauty mark right here. I actually have it, but it just doesn't show. And then using setting spray, rose water, okay? Okay, so now we're gonna go on to the outfit and I will show you guys how I wear it. Okay, so I will be showing you guys how I wear my Hmong clothes and stuff, okay? This is the outfit I'm gonna wear. And this is the skirt I'm also gonna wear. Be wearing this hat, okay? It's gonna look so good. So I'm gonna put on the shirt first. Okay? And usually these shirts, sometimes, and I have a short under too, okay? So you have to wear a short so that when you wear this skirts over, they don't, you bend over, they don't see your toes. So I'm gonna put these on. They have little like buttons that you. So usually my chest is a lot bigger, and so like if I wore like a push-up bra, I would be able to like button up my shirt, and so that's why I wear a sports bra. You tie it around your waist. Okay. And you tuck it in. So nobody sees it. So I usually go down, pull down the shirt so that it makes my body look slimmer. Okay. And now I turn the dress a little bit. So that this part is in the center. Because we don't want that to be on the side or on the back, because it's where it opens up, okay? So put the shade or this next outfit part. And tie it around our back also. And we tuck it in. Okay. This goes around it. Nice and centered. Then we take this sash and then we wrap it around. Pin the sash or the lache. Be careful, don't poke yourself. And then you have to fix so that these two ends are at the back and centered. Like that. I got my sow on now, and I will be wearing okay. These are gonna go on my cows. I got my sow on, and next I have to put on some earrings, and then I will go style my hair and then put on my hat. So this is what they look like. These are like sock warmers. Okay. So you put them on your knee like that. Your toes. Okay, I got my earrings on. My outfit, my sow, my pants, my skirt, my shade, and my hair. Now I'm gonna go do my hair. Okay guys, this is my hair. And I just kind of set it and put it on the back. And this is my outfit.
Nó bé tôi thay đồ nè chay tê là có sao này à chứ tí là phải nói chứ nhưng mà chứ là trong cơ chứ là trong cơ nha thay thay nấy cho nó chẳng có tôi mất cho họ có YouTube ấy có bên nha nó có nhân long tại Photoshoot mỗi việc không rất là có không coi thay cọc cọc tới giờ họ tới nói chứ mẹ cô chỉ sẽ làm nó phải thay đó Can you in the background, man? No, but tao kể non rồi. Tao kể là đi nó thay à, tôi chẳng có họ. Mày biết kéo có phụ. Đó à, được chưa? Nó không đồ. Có sự ta sẽ chế à? Ôi, ra đi từ này phố nó này đã cầm tiền rồi đó. Khỏi cho tao này tôi xé này. Con luôn để, con luôn để, con luôn để. Con luôn. Đi ta lỡ cái nằm ở chép lại anh ngồi lo chưa hả anh ngồi đó lo Đà của bé nằm ở thì là bé nằm ở